These are the elevators at some office building that I don't know the name or address of, but it should be in the title, in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look at this, we have some modernized elevators to ride. Modernized with dual commercial impulse. Look at that old historic looking indicator. All I know is that the leasing is by John Sierra Kelly Realty. Ooh, 1980s dual commercial impulse without the contacts. Go down to the basement. 1980s dual commercial impulse without the contacts. This is a historic building with very historic looking features on the first floor lobby. Hydro though. Here at the basement, these may have replaced whatever was here before. That's one creepy looking basement. Got the 4. Rung on the outside. These are from the 1980s without the contacts and the buttons. These are really nice. This is 1111 Penn Avenue. You're at 4. That's what it says on your certificate anyway. Back down to 1. No, it is not. Never mind. Now an ADA red phone. Here's your brass panel. There's a certificate in case fire dies elevators. There's your flow indicator. Pretty nice cabs. Laminate. Very brass elevator. These are pretty slow, especially for something like this. Here, back on 1. Oh, it does work. I think it was just in power save. There it goes, and that's it.